Hello everybody, welcome to week 2. Just wanted to give you a brief rundown of the activities that are on the docket for the week and to hopefully answer any questions that you might have about the week. Now, to get to the week's assignments, you can go either way. You can click on the assignments link at the top of our website here across the top, or you can scroll down the right side of the page. All of the recent posts are listed there. For the one that says the work for week 2, click on that and open it up, and it will take you directly to the page where it has where I've outlined all the work for the week. Now, I should have pointed this out last week. I neglected to do this, but you'll notice that each week is broken up into 3 basic activities. We have prepare activities, we have participate activities, and we have reflection activities. Now, the prepare activities are obviously to get you ready to participate in the course, and then the participation that's where you'll converse with one another, do collaborative activities, things like that. And the reflecting is where you'll look back at the week, think about what you've done, reflect on what you did well, what you can do maybe better in the coming weeks. So that's kind of a basic outline of every week of the course. Every week we'll have the prepare, participate, reflect. So that's something that you can just expect each week. The prepare activities will include reading, both required reading and supplemental reading, and other preparation activities. So that's just kind of an outline of what each week will look like throughout the semester. We're beginning with the theme culture and identity because that is kind of the basis for how we'll be approaching our reading through the semesters, through the lens of culture and things like that. So this week the reading is all from the culture and identity section in literature, the human experience. We'll be focusing on fiction and nonfiction this week, talking about kind of the things that make these genres distinct, of what makes fiction and nonfiction, fiction and nonfiction. And so we have some reading, you'll have some individual choice, you'll get to pick at least one fiction piece and one nonfiction piece. And then the supplemental reading are just things that I'm including to give you a different experience interacting with literature. Audio files, video files, web pages online that can help you, or that show a different way, a different approach to some of the things we'll be reading for the week. Now, in your other preparation activities, I want you to record 2 entries in your reading notebook. If you've forgotten what the reading notebook is, click here on the Keeping a Reading Notebook, review that, and remind yourself of what the reading notebook is. There you go, look at that. And then also I want you to search the internet for an online resource that supplements one of the texts from this week's reading. So I want to add to this list. So if you find something interesting online that helps you to interact with one of these texts differently, that shows how they've been used kind of in digital environments, things like that, and I want you to add that to our shared Google spreadsheet. Show you how to do that really quickly. All you'll need to do is somebody's done this already, the title of the resource, the text the resource supplements. This will be the title of the story or the essay from the week. For instance, if I was doing this video, Girl by Jamaica Kincaid, the title of the resource would be Girl by Jamaica Kincaid. The text resource supplements would be Girl. The type of resource would be a video file, and the brief description of the resource that supplements the text. So just kind of what it is, how it helps you to interact differently with the text, something like that, and then you'll include your name here. So that's a rundown of the supplemental activity that we'll kind of have each week. We've got 2 Google Plus conversations where you'll be talking about the text and also about fiction and nonfiction. And really, I think that's everything I have for you right now. If you have questions, please do feel free to let me know. My inbox is always open.